Hi, hello, welcome back. So today we are with a new content, that is type of modifiers used in medical coding. So usually we will be more familiar with CPT modifiers. Apart from CPT, we have other modifiers also. So here I had given a list of modifiers. You can take a note of it because it will be really helpful for your interview part. So the types of modifiers are: first one is HCPCS modifier, second one is ABN modifier, third one is advanced diagnostic imaging modifier, fourth one is ambulance modifier, fifth one is anatomical modifier. Please make a note or write and keep it somewhere so that it will be really helpful for you when you are preparing for the interview. Sixth type of modifier is anesthesia modifier. Seventh one is assistant modifier. Eighth one is global surgery modifiers. Ninth one is hospice modifiers. 10th one is laboratory modifiers. Usually those people who are preparing for your UAE interviews and all, these types of questions will be asked. So it is an important question, as well as it will be really helpful for you. So make a note of it and keep. 11th one is podiatry modifier. 12th one is quality reporting incentive program modifier. 13 is surgical modifier. 14 is telehealth modifier. And finally therapy modifier. So that's all about the type of modifiers used in medical coding. Detailed explanation of this video slides will be given in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are preparing for your interview, wish you all the best for your interview. Thank you so much. And before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and keep, so that you will get further updates about all the questions.